Hey everyone, welcome back to Eat the World. I'm Chef Alex Lazik, and here I am, living the traveling nomad dream here in my beautiful motorhome, enjoying a magnificent view. Easter's around the corner, and nothing says Easter to me like bunny rabbits laying eggs. Bunny rabbits laying eggs. Yes, bunny rabbits, eggs, hot cross buns, nursery rhymes.
Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Time to play our favorite song.
3 blind mice.
Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns.
Seriously though, some religious traditions are weird. There's no better way to enjoy Jesus being nailed to a cross than to emulate this on top of a 12th century pastry. In all seriousness, hot cross buns remind me of my mom, family, getting together as a family at a holiday time, which we always did, and my mum would occasionally make hot cross buns and we loved them. These are super simple to make and so worthwhile doing yourself. Don't get the cheap, nasty hot cross buns that you get from the grocery store. If you love your kids, your partner, your family, whoever it is you're getting together with at Easter, take the time, and it doesn't take a lot of time, and make some hot cross buns yourself, you lazy. I hope you all have a sense of humor. So, let's get started. Super easy recipe. Let's do it. So, hot cross buns. Look at this beauty. It is absolutely gorgeous. Glazed with a bit of apricot jam on top of it. And you got those beautiful plump currants. And you've got that spice. That's the whole idea behind them. You've got that beautiful spice. Got the nutmeg, the cinnamon, the allspice. And look, they might have started making these centuries ago, but they're still an amazing Easter treat. And great with coffee. I love them fresh out of the oven like this. They're just so soft and fresh, but like, you know, day 2, and most people have these kind of not on the first day but on the second day. So if you do have them leftovers, heaven forbid, Toast them, they're really good. Everybody loves a toasted hot cross bun. With a bit of jam, butter, it's heaven. I hope you guys take the time and make these beautiful hot cross buns. It's really not that hard, and it's so much nicer than buying these from a store. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna get back to my coffee. You guys have yourselves a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe.